how are you doing? Welcome back to my property episode. Today I have really something special for you. I will be touring a commercial property in London near King's Cross St Pancras. This property is listed currently for sale with Sabi from Remax Central, and this business is running for 11 years already, so it's really good opportunity to buy a new business or to show you how commercial property in London looks like. So if you would like to see more, keep watching. Now we are going to Charlton Street. We are only 1 minute away. Today I will be touring this beautiful spa, and the name is Siam Body and Soul. Siam means Thailand. Let me show you through. This is the main entrance and the reception area. So someone will welcome you and you can basically order your treatment here. I really love these butterflies and special artwork here. It's very nice decorated, the whole spa. This is a waiting area. You can take a seat. It's really nice and very relaxing here. There's also a beautiful mirror which makes the room even larger, and some storage area for the coats. From this hallway we are going to first treatment room. Wow, this is very nice. This room looks like a medical treatment room. So you have basically a massage couch and as well sink. So probably they do some facial massages here, or as well if you have any kind of problems, maybe like back pain, or I don't know, actually it's like a neck pain, so you have some special neck massage. They use a lot of gorgeous cosmetics like Estee Lauder as well LMEs. So if you know, it's a very, very good brand, and I really love these pictures here, so you can see as well all the body relaxed points, and you know, so it's great for massages. And in this area you have basically sitting area. When you come, you can tell which massage you would like to have, what is your problem with your body, what you would like to make more relaxed. And yeah, so this skeleton is very nice. I always was obsessed with the biology. Let me show you another room. Wow, this looks amazing. Can you imagine to have a massage here? So this is absolutely ideal for two people to be here, to even have maybe two girls, or you know, two boys. They will come, they want to chat and even have a massage as well. So it's gorgeous. You have amazing blankets here, so you will not feel cold. Then also beautiful curtains. There is also a view on the garden. I will show you a little bit later when we go downstairs. Beautiful decoration with the flowers, and also nice picture. There is also sofa. So maybe if your mom has a massage and you would like to wait, you can be just sitting and relaxing here. There is also candle, beautiful flowers. You have really nice shelves here with the decorations, a lot of relaxing aromatic oils, as well candles. Of course, if you come to spa, you have to have a candles, and as well towels. It looks beautiful. I really love even pink color on the walls. It's very nice. And here is sink as well, some mirror. Yeah, it's really, really beautiful. This spa has around 1,000 square feet, which is really a lot. Let me show you downstairs. Let me show you this double treatment room. It's perfect for couples, or especially if you're coming with your friend and you would like to enjoy together to have beautiful massage here. You can see here two massage couches and amazing blankets, so you will not feel cold here. And massage is amazing, where you can relax. As you can see, this room is very beautiful. You have a lot of great art here and candles with some oils and aromas. So I can imagine to be lying here and to have a massage. It will be absolutely relaxing. You have a lot of storage space here as well, and nice yin-yang sign. Also, you have some storage spaces there with a lot of drawers, so you can store here a lot of towels or some cosmetic, and you have here a lot of candles, some aromatic oils, so you will feel really nice in this beautiful room. And there is also very nice decoration with the spotlights. I really love it. It looks gorgeous. Let me show you a hallway. You have here men's and ladies' toilets, also some storage area. Then here is a shower if you would like to take a shower before or after massage, and also small kitchenette, so you can have some food here as well. Now we are in a downstairs waiting area where you can take a seat and you can read magazine if you wait for your treatment. Let me show you first room. This room is amazing. It is for single treatment. You have here massage couch, so you can have a very nice relaxed massage, and also sofa chair. As well, there is a beautiful artwork here, and in each room you have as well radiators, so it's always warm here. This is the second treatment room. It's basically single, for single use, and you can either have as well here massage couch, or maybe like table for like nail technician, or if you would like to have like small maybe facial treatments here, it will be ideal room. Beautiful curtains, isn't it? With these lovely stars. And let me show you to garden. Wow, this is such an amazing place. Have you seen already spa like this in a central London location? We are actually between King's Cross St Pancras and Euston Station, so it's a really great area to have a salon or spa, or if you are looking to open your business. This garden is ideal if you want to catch up with your clients, or maybe you do like every year like staff party as well, so you can have an ideal place for a barbecue or cocktails. This commercial property is being sold as a full successful running business. If you would like to know more details, contact Sabi. I will leave all the details down below in the description box. And thank you very much for watching. I really hope that you liked this tour. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications, and I hope that I will see you in my next property tour. Bye!